Guys, I'm Oluwafemi. If you have been following my SQL series, I I actually query these particular queries in my last video, and this was the first question in the second module of our course, which is the SQL training. But I want to briefly teach us something. I want to transfer this particular data to my Excel so that I'll be able to do visualization with this. Please just follow me as we learn together. Okay, now the very first thing I'm going to do is I will go to my Excel. I have a new sheet here. Then I'll go to home. I'll go to data. I'll go to get data. Then I'll go to from database, which is from SQL Server database. I'll click OK. Now, this thing is requesting for a server. How do you get your server? You go to your SQL Server, and then you click on connect. Then you copy this. This is your server base name. I can cancel this. Then I go back to my own. Then I paste. Then another thing I need is the database which you want to work with or you want to transfer to the Excel. Then I'll go to my database again. Then I know that this is my database. This is where this particular query is. This is where the data is. Then I'll just copy this, the adventure work LT. Then I'll go to my Excel. Then I will paste. Let me delete the square brackets. Okay, I'm done. Then I'll click on advanced. This advanced simply means your SQL statement. That means you can put your SQL statement here. So I'll go to my SQL, then I'll hit OK. Then I'll highlight and copy my queries. Then I'll copy. Then I'll go to my Excel. Then I'll paste it. Now I've pasted my query. I've done all I'm supposed to do. Then I'll press OK. Let's wait for it. You can see my query has been my data has been transferred to this place. You can see it. So I can decide to load or I can decide to transform this data. But let's transfer the data so that it will be transferred to the Power Query, and let's see where it goes. Yeah, it has been transferred here, but I don't actually have much to do here. I don't want to alter anything. I just want to close and load, just for demonstration sake. Then I'll close and load. You can see my data is loaded already. This is my query one. Then I can name this as my data. Then you can name this as analysis. Okay, now what the next I'm going to do is let me quickly just create a pivot table here. Yeah, let me create a pivot table. Then I'll go to insert. I'll go to insert pivot table. Then I'll go to table range. Then I'll go to the data. Then I'll put my cursor here until I see an arrow pointing this way. Then I hit OK. Then I can hit my OK. My pivot table has been created. So let me just drop two fields. Let me drop cheap country and then revenue. Okay, no, let me use the full name. Let me use the full name. Okay, this is been done for me. Then I don't want to see this row today. I want to see that column name. Then I'll go to my design. I'll go to report layout. Then I'll show as tabular form. I've done that. I don't want to see this grand total. I can remove it. You off for rows and column, off for rows and column. I've been off. So this is what I have at the moment. Then I can decide to do analysis with it. I can get a chart with this. Let me just get a column chart with this. Let me insert a column chart. Okay, this is a column chart for this particular data. So as you can see, I've just transferred my data from my database to my Excel. This is how to go about it. But let me show you something. Let me come back to this my data. Let's assume I delete from here. Let me delete this from here. I delete it. You can see my data here has reduced. Initially I was having like 9, sorry, I was having 10, but now I'm having just 4. How do you get this back? You have not lost the data. You've not lost it. Reason being that you linked this particular thing, it was linked from the database. Since the database has not been altered, it has not been then deleted from the database, you can still have access to this. So what you're going to do is you just go to data, then you refresh all. When you refresh all, your data will come back. But let's go to our analysis. You can see our analysis here has reduced. It has reduced because we're having 3 the other place. So if you want to get all your full chart back, the next thing you're going to do is to refresh all at the same time. If you refresh all your data will come back. So that's how to link your query with your Excel for analysis. This is if you find this video very helpful, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more insights about SQL, Excel, and other analytics tools. Thank you for watching. I remain Oluwafemi.